Girls are so sweet. I'm really touched. This is my farewell dinner with the girls. Hello everyone, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipina living in Australia. I arrived in Brisbane, Australia and started working immediately last April. 4 months has passed and sadly it's time to go. 4 months ago, I started working in a new hospital, in a new country, with different practices. I don't know anyone in the hospital and I don't know anyone in the city. Honestly, it was a bit stressful adjusting to my new workplace. Aside from really being busy at work, I also had to adjust with the different work practices in the hospital. And yet, I'm lucky enough to find kind people who help me to adjust to work. It's nice to come into work to know that there are people who is looking after you and who's backing you up, and each time that you need any help, you could always count on them. A friendly face at work helped me feel that I'm welcomed and I'm supported. And each day, even though I am busy, I'm happy to chat with them and somehow it makes the day lighter. I was completely surprised when one of my co-workers asked me out to go out for a farewell dinner. I only worked in the hospital for 4 months, so I wasn't expecting anything really. So I was really touched when they invited me to go out with them. They spared some time for me on a Saturday night to go out. So we went to a restaurant in the mall. We ordered some food and drinks and we were just chatting about our lives and about work and about everything else. And I really realized at that moment how lucky am I to have these people who helped me through my journey in starting my nursing career in Australia. I hope they realize that the kind gesture, friendly smiles, jokes and chats throughout a busy day makes the hard day at work feel lighter and brighter. They surprised me with a bouquet and a card. It was really sweet of them and I really was so surprised that they thought about this. I hope they realized that they really made me happy and they touched my life in ways that they could never understand. Thank you, ladies.